Well, straight away, let's get you a live update from the Safdarjung Hospital, which is approximately around 7 to 8 kilometers from the protest site of Jantar Mantar, where Sonam Wangchuk has been shifted by the Delhi police. He's been given medical treatment, and according to reports suggesting, as Mohit is connected with us right now from Safdarjung Hospital. Mohit, what are we now looking at the situation there? Reports suggest that he is conscious and stable.
Well, yes, in fact, and Amita, I'll just take our viewers around for the visuals. You can see that how the Delhi police deployment has been increased over here. Now, Sonam Wangchuk was taken to the emergency ward over there on my left side, as the media is not allowed inside. But given the fact that it's been, today was the 21st day of Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike, and we also spoke to the doctor day before yesterday, and he stated that within 24 to 48 hours, his organs could be affected due to his hunger strike, and perhaps that is why the step is being taken by the Delhi police. We had seen a commotion early morning at the Jantar Mantar, where Delhi police reached in plain clothes. They took Sonam Wangchuk to here at the Safdarjung Hospital, and then we saw that how Abhijit Deepke and other members of the Cockroach Janata Party, they have been saying this, that this is something which is anarchy, and why this particular step is being taken, why the Delhi police has maintained they are just abiding by the court orders. Court clearly intervened and said that they care about the condition of Sonam Wangchuk, and from past many days he's on hunger strike. He lost around 9.5 kgs, and just for the benefit of viewers, Amita, I would just read from the report of Sonam Wangchuk that has come in from the Safdarjung Hospital, which says that why his vitals are normal, the ECG is normal. So as of now, his situation is normal, his condition is normal. But given the fact that the police did not want to take any chance, and perhaps that is why he was brought over here. But the protesters are still there at Jantar Mantar. You can see that every car which is going inside is being thoroughly checked by the Delhi police, given the fact that they don't want that the protesters should come over here. We also went inside. We also saw that there was a massive security within the premises in the emergency block. So clearly, as of now,
I'm told Annie Raja is also connected with us. Let me just quickly get in a word. What is your take on this police action that is followed, complying with the Delhi High Court orders on Sonam Wangchuk's health?
You see, they were raising, or they are raising, a very serious issue which the not only the students but the people of this country are facing. And so far, government has not taken any initiative to have a word with dialogue with these people. And suddenly they have sent the police and picked up. And I'm told that there are reports that Sonam Wangchuk was manhandled also. And this is very, very atrocious. A responsible government should listen to the people who raise some serious issues. Even government has agreed that the paper leak and all those issues, even the ministry has agreed. But why there is no action? Accountability should be there. That is what these the protesters were demanding. And suddenly, without any discussion, any dialogue, nothing, all these days the government waited for such a thing, and yesterday the commissioner was changed, and it seems that to do this act, the government has, the Home Minister has changed the Delhi Police Commissioner. So this is very, very condemnable, and this is not the way a responsible government should behave. When people dissent, people differ, or people raise issues which are very, very critical, crucial for the people as a whole.
All right. Thank you very much, Ms. Annie Raja, for joining us here on the broadcast. Political reactions that are being coming in, condemning the move on part of the police, calling it as a coercive action. And they're also suggesting that all of the protesters there have been roughed up upon part of the police there. But the last few days, I mean, Mohit, coming back to you, and Priyank as well. Priyank, for the last 21 days, and if we take a look exactly what has happened in the last 1 week, now is when the opposition's focus that actually went to Sonam Wangchuk. I mean, they started to make a beeline at Jantar Mantar, right from Arvind Kejriwal to the likes of Pawan Khera to even Samajwadi Party leader Dimple Yadav. It is now when they had started to come on the stage and inquire about his health.
Absolutely right, Amita, because the political parties which were under the eye of the storm of the CJP for the failure which they have done were trying to show themselves away from Sonam Wangchuk, but suddenly once Sonam's health started deteriorating, everyone started to take mileage of this particular situation in the name of sympathy. That's an undeniable fact, which you are also highlighting. The fact of the matter is, since the time this PIL was moved before the High Court, initially it started with the court there in Delhi, where the PIL was moved and the PIL date was given, where the center and the state were sending notices. The court was asking the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, as I'll remember what was told before the court, that what is the health condition, whether Mr. Wangchuk's health is being checked by the private doctors or not. Everything was mentioned before the court, and both the state as well as the court was of the opinion that the doctor should be the one who should actually see that how his health condition can be checked time and again. The court made its observation that suddenly the doctors need to see that whatever need to be done will be done. And since the time this observation came out, Amita, we saw that a major political party movement happened. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal, the former chief minister of the national capital, also reached there with two lapel mics, two mics while he was interacting with Sonam Wangchuk. Arvind Kejriwal also made it sure that his audio should be captured by the cameraman. So it was a clear-cut photo op which was happening at this particular location. Abhijit Dipke, who had been very much
political
vocal.
opportunism on their part, because now they are coming out to condemn and call this action to be coercive on part of the police. The Delhi police say that they are only following the orders that came in from the Delhi High Court. A quick update from Sabyasachi as well, because Sabyasachi, Sonam Wangchuk's wife has also now reacted to this morning action followed by the Delhi police and saying that nothing should be done without their permission, without the family's consultation and the consultation of the doctors.
Well, that's right. Let me first show you the visuals around at Jantar Mantar. What is the current situation? The forces, the Delhi police presence also have increased. So is the number of the protesters at Jantar Mantar. And Sonam Wangchuk's wife has said that she is at Safdarjung Hospital in the national capital, where Sonam Wangchuk has been admitted. And she said that nothing should be administered to him orally or intravenous without taking consent from her and his family and his doctors, who have been monitoring his health for the last 20 days. Now, this message has been put across by Sonam Wangchuk's wife on social media X to the administration. Meanwhile, the top cops of the Delhi police are also on ground. In fact, time to time, they are trying to speak to the protesters, but the CJP supporters, the numbers of supporters are also increasing. In fact, Abhijit Dipke, the other leaders of the CJP are currently here, and they are continuously sloganeering and protesting against the Delhi police and saying that the Delhi police used force against Sonam Wangchuk and unlawfully they detained him.
All right, protesters that are continuing, refusing to vacate the protest site, sit-in dharna, that is also now taking place. We continue to get you the live updates, both from Jantar Mantar and from Safdarjung Hospital, where currently Sonam Wangchuk has now been admitted for further medical treatment. Back after a short break, this is a live and a continuing coverage right here on Times Now.